For replacement parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Begin with your curved pop-up fully expanded. The poles that run vertically are the straight poles. These straight poles are composed of two poles that are the same length. Do not place the straight poles where the horizontal poles are positioned. The poles that run horizontally are your curved poles. You will notice that one of the poles is shorter than the other. If your replacement pole is the same length, twist the bars 180 degrees to correct the alignment as shown. If you have a damaged straight pole, just locate the four corners that each pole connects to. Remove the four screws holding the poles into place and pop out the damaged poles. If a screw is blocked by hook and loop fastener, just loosen the screw holding the fastener into place and remove it to gain access. Grab your replacement poles and pop them into the same position as the broken one. Insert the screws and screw them tight. Remember to reattach the hook and loop fastener if you had to remove it. You can find a more in-depth video about replacing just a straight pole in our pop-up repair playlist. The curved poles are installed differently than our straight poles. Locate your broken curved pole and remove the four screws holding each pole end into place. Take note of how the poles are positioned and remove the broken pole. These poles must be installed in the same position as the other curved poles or it will not fit correctly. With your new curved poles, position the poles the same way as the others and push the poles into place. Replace the screws and tighten. Your pop-up curved is now repaired.